Hey y'all, it's your girl Kim Bella Roxy. Shout out to all my Kim Bays and my Kim Boos. If you're new to the channel, you already know. Make sure you subscribe, like this video, drop me a comment, and turn on your bell notifications. Y'all, so I know that y'all seen the video or the interview of Govan. Govan is the dude that is allegedly the mastermind behind young Dolph demise. So he went and did an interview, and the judge had some things to say. Watch this, and we're gonna come back and talk about it.
Shouldn't have to remind you that you're out on a bond that, and the court has put you under some real serious or some real tight stipulations.
Yes, ma'am.
At this point, the court feels like you're playing fast and loose with the court and these stipulations. And I don't like that. You have filed a motion through your attorney asking me to review your bond conditions. And before we could ever do that, I get a message from a concerned citizen that you're out doing interviews. Whether you're talking about this case or not, you're doing interviews. And the court doesn't like the fact that you feel free enough to do interviews. Because what could be happening is that you could be in jail. And it's a whole lot easier to supervise you there. But you've been given the opportunity to post a bond with bond conditions, and you're not doing those things you need to do. We're going to review those bond conditions on March the 1st. But let me make myself extremely clear to you that you are to not have any interviews with anybody for any reason. Your attorney has assured me that nothing was said about this case in that interview, and I have no reason not to believe what he told me was true. But like I said, you should not be interviewing with anyone. You should not be making any public statements, and you should be in the house. That means not going to anybody's funeral. Put your hand down. You're speaking through your attorney at this point.
Yes, ma'am.
That means not going to funerals or anywhere else. That means in the house as of right now.
Yes, ma'am.
And about you not showing up on yesterday or showing up and then leaving because your counsel thought it was appropriate to allow you to go home because you were getting a barrage of phone calls, that's neither here nor there. When you're supposed to be here, you're supposed to be here. Were you not on my docket yesterday?
Yes, ma'am.
You were supposed to be here. Bottom line.
And I thought I was. He instructed me not to come. I was.
Like I said, you are supposed to be here. Whether your attorney is here or not, you should be here.
Yes, ma'am.
Do you understand that?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you understand what house arrest means as of this point?
Yes, ma'am.
I'll see you back here on March the 1st, sir.
All right, thank you.
Please don't give me any reason to revoke this bond.
All
And
right.
then we won't even have to have these conversations.
Yes, ma'am.
March 1st.
So y'all see that judge was not playing. And I'm not surprised that the judge came like that because, in my opinion, Govan should have never did an interview. Rather, if he was talking about the case or not. So no matter what he was talking about, I don't understand why he even agreed to do an interview. If it was for the media and the people to see that, he's out, he's well, and, he's standing on business. But look where it got him. He wanted to go for a bond hearing to have it reviewed. The judge is not going to be easy on that because you already can't be trusted. You are already a hard person to control, pretty much. You heard what she said. She said if you were in jail, it is very much easier to watch you. So I don't know if whatever it is he's trying to get reviewed is going to happen at this point, because the judge is highly, highly, highly pissed off that he even took the time to go do an interview and talk about the case. Even if it wasn't specific details, it was still an interview. You're supposed to be off the radar. You're supposed to be in the house, getting your mind right for whatever it is that is about to go down. He just think he was untouchable, and the judge is not having it. At the end of the day, I don't know if he think the people is more important than the judge in this case, but she was not playing. And you know what? I'm not even mad, because you have these people who are out here trying to spin a narrative, and at the end of the day, it can mess up a case, and then there is no fair trial. So at the end of the day, I just wanted to show y'all. I didn't even do a video on the interview because I didn't want to do it. Shout out to the interviewer who had Govan up there. He said it was going to be a part 2, but I don't know if it's going to be a part 2. It might be after the trial if he is found not guilty and he's free, but we will have to wait and see. But from now until the trial, y'all not going to get no part 2. So whatever it is that he gave y'all and whatever y'all took away from that interview, y'all just got to take heed to that, because baby, it's not going to be a part 2. And she was not playing about that. She don't want to see or hear anything else that Govan is doing on social media. This is not that. This is a very serious crime that he is being, charged with. And until they get to the bottom of it, he is to stay off the radar. Point blank, period. She made it very clear. She was not playing. So that is the update. Shout out to Seti Nash. This is where I heard it first at. But y'all know I had to come bring it to my Kim Bays and my Kim Boos, and we was going to talk about it. Let me know if y'all seen the interview, and if y'all didn't, I will drop a comment with the link to where y'all can go see it. But that's all I have. Make sure y'all subscribe to the channel. I'm seeing a lot of people watching, but I'm not seeing a lot of people subscribing. So make sure if y'all here kicking it with me that y'all subscribe, like the video, comment, share the video, put on your bell notifications, and show your girl some love. All right, y'all. I'll see y'all on the next one. Love y'all. Bye.